How to add door access card to iPhone. So if you want to add the door access card to your iPhone, then to add a door access card to your iPhone, you typically need an app provided by the access control system provider. Go to the App Store on your iPhone and search for the app provided by your door access control system provider. For example, if you're building users HID Global's access control system, you might search for HID Mobile Access. Once you've downloaded the app, install it and open on your phone. If you are a new user, you may need to register for an account within the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Follow the app's instructions to add your door access card. This usually involves scanning or entering the card details into the application. After adding the card, you may need to verify your identity or complete any additional steps required to activate the card on your iPhone. Once the card is activated, you should be able to use your iPhone to access doors that are compatible with the access control system. Keep in mind that the specific steps may vary depending on the app and access control system you are using. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.